got more than one pair of your shoe soles, you can mix and match the insides for a more colorful look. For now, grab the upper part of the shoe, or the slide as we call it. That's the two strips with the rings on each end. They're both reversible, so you can combine them any way you like. Let's get started. By the way, if a couple of U-rings come off along the way, it's no big deal. Just reattach them by pulling them down onto the hook. See the little logo? It should be on the outside of your sandal. You gotta show it off. Curve the slide so that the U-ring aligns around the sole. If you have big feet, it may look like a tunnel. The front part should align with the double dot lugs and the back part with the single dot lugs. It's pretty straightforward up to here. All right, tuck the hooks into the groove around the sole first, and then slip each U-ring around its lug one at a time. You can use your fingers here. That's it. Grab the tool and loop each U-ring around its matching lug using, and this is important, a circular motion. You can try pulling straight on it, but you won't get too far. Don't worry. It gets easier the next time around. The U-rings will be less rigid, and you'll probably know what you're doing too.